Okay, so then I proceed to this next session, which is scope of study. What is the scope of study? Okay, study kita dah pergi problem statement. Now we go to scope of study. Okay, the scope of study explain the boundary or limit or your research. This is important because the title may not clear inform the reader what your study does not cover all level or area all type. Okay, sorry, tak clear. Okay. Okay, before this, title, okay, when kita construct title cannot, the length of title cannot be too long. For example, a good research title. To examine the factor influence stress among your ATM Seremban student. Full stop. This is my title. Because title cannot be too long. So, bila kita baca title tu, kita feel, kita tak tahu skop kajian ni conducted among undergrad student ke postgrad student ke, kita tak explain dalam title. That's why in the scope of study section dalam you punya research proposal, it is time you to explain in detail supaya the reader can know dia nak buat kat mana. Kita explain dalam bentuk statement, macam ni scope of study. Okay, for example, you can see this example of good scope study. The study will be conducted to the employee of public organisation Jabatan Pengangkutan Jalan Negeri Selangor. The researcher want to focus in JPJ because due to the willingness of the employee to give cooperations. Okay, kita cakap scope of study ni refer kepada sample. Pada siapa kita nak collect data? Pada siapa kita nak conduct interview? For example, the scope of study, this study will be conducted among AM225 Bachelor of Corporate Administration student only. In particular, the study only will cover the final year. Kita spesifikkan dalam section scope study pada siapa kita nak buat. Okay, let's say, can I conduct study general? Boleh. For example, the study will be conducted among Malaysian citizen living in Peninsular Malaysia. General boleh. You nak buat secara general boleh. Kalau you nak buat spesifik lagi pun boleh. For example, the study will be conducted among resident in section 13 Shah Alam. In specific, section 13 Shah Alam will cover will cover Pangsa Puri, Alam Megah. Dia kita lagi spesifik kan. So it depends on you. In a scope of study section is you will explain siapa sampel kajian you. It's very specific. Because tajuk you tak specific, kita tak nampak. In a scope study, will explain in a statement about your scope. Scope mean boundaries. Boundaries kajian kamu. Okay, kita tengok. Scope of study will cover 3 dimension. Pertama, level. Often the study focus on operator, manager or CEOs. This problem that you are researching may be relevant study issues with the top manager. Okay, level ni mean that you narrow down your sample. For example, the scope of study will be conducted among BCA student. Level dia only final year will involve. Okay, the scope of study will cover among your ATM student, only undergrad student will involve. Maknanya kita divide the level. Kita dah fokus pada undergrad. Postgrad kita nak involve. Itu maksud the level. In an organisation, for example, the study only focus on manager and CEO. Means that lower line manager, you tak nak buat kajian. Itu maksud dia level. Bila statement scope study, you kena ada level. Territory, as you can see, territory ni kawasan lah. The study will be conducted in, tadi level kan, among final year Bachelor of Corporate Administration student in the Faculty of Administrative Science and Social Policies in UiTM Seremban 3. Territory dia UiTM Seremban 3. Contohnya pelajar Bachelor of, kalau you cakap Bachelor of Administrative Science banyak, ada kat kampus KK, ada kampus Samarahan, yang mana. So territory kita define Bachelor of Administrative Science in UiTM Seremban 3. Seremban 3 is a territory. You must have statement of level, statement of territory. Finally, time. Okay, you must also indicate time. The study will be conducted from, for example, September 2020 until September 2021. Dia kena ada satu statement, time. Kalau you tak tahu time, kita buat research proposal kan, so we just pretending je lah, you letak je lah, the study will be conduct, there is no right and wrong. For AM 226 student, means that your study akan start daripada next semester. So you can just indicate saja, dengan keadaan COVID ni, you can just indicate that your study will be conducted to bila-bila. Ada time tak salah Okay, the final section, significance of study. Significant study is example the impact of your study, kebaikan kajian kamu. Okay, significance of study. The significance of research is probably the easiest section to write. Everything has its value. There is no research do not has value. Semua kajian ada value. Under this segment, you state how your study can contribute to problem resolution. Explore the significance to the theory and practice. Sekejap lagi saya ajar macam mana nak tulis significant. Okay. Problem specific contributions. Okay. Okay, significance of study ni, you pergi dekat example of proposal yang saya upload ni. Okay, significance of proposed study. Macam mana kita nak tulis? Okay, kita buat dalam subtitle. Significant. For example, I want to examine the influence of technology usage on employee performance. So, apa significant kajian kamu? Selepas kajian kamu siap, apa yang kamu harapkan? Okay, pertama, to employee. We believe, guna perkataan we sebab you conduct a pair, so we tu researcher lah, kamu lah. We believe that our study can help to improve skill of employees. To the employer, we believe that our study can help employer to improve when technology has been adopted in their company. To the customer, our study believe that once the employee able to perform with the adoption of technology, therefore they can deliver good service to the customer. To the government, we believe that our study can help the government to improve private sector. To the community, kalau ada lah, kalau kajian kamu tu tak ada kena-mengena dengan community, tak payahlah. Saya bagi example, kita buat dalam bentuk subtitle. Example, ni example of how to write significant study. Bawah section significant study, you buat macam subtitle. Significant to the employee and civil servant, you buat ayat. Significant to the employer, you buat ayat. Significant to organisation, must be based on your study. Okay. Right, we proceed. Okay, thank you. Any questions? Okay, now in the next video, saya akan ajar you how to construct chapter 1. This is for our lecture. We already finished chapter on research objective and research question, and also how chapter on problem segment, scope of study and significant study. Okay, thank you student. Thank you for your participation.